Hey guys, welcome back to Feral Fairy. Today we are making some whimsical lavender door frames. I pretty much decided that I wanted to make one of these for my house, so I thought I'd show you guys how I do it so you can do it too. I am using a shower curtain tension rod. I got it off of Amazon. It was very cheap. You can really use any sort of pole. In another video I have done a vine wall. I just did a stick and then used those little hook commands, and that works great too. Step 1 is learning how to make the lavender. I am working with a 4mm hook and medium yarn. You're going to start with a slip knot, which is the X in the back, 2 in the front. Go under the first one and grab the second one, and then pull that closed. Now you're going to chain your desired length. For me, that will be 40. Just like that. And then we are going to chain 2 more for the turning chain. 1, 2, yarn over, and now we are double crocheting into third chain. So 1, 2, 3, double crochet, and then 1 more double crochet into that same chain. Like that. Chain 2, and once again slip stitch into that same chain, through and through, and then we are slip stitching into that next chain. Chain 7, 5, 6, 7, slip stitch into that same chain right there, and then slip stitch into that next. And repeat, chain 7, slip stitching into that same chain, and then slip stitching into the next. And as you can see, that is all we are repeating. Chain 7, slip stitch into there, and then slip stitch into the next. And repeat all the way down. You can see I have 1 more chain there, so that just means we're gonna do it 1 more time. So chain 7, slip stitch into the same, and then slip stitch into that last. And cut this off, leaving enough to tie onto the pole. And then you're just gonna pull that out and then tie these together. You have created a lavender. Now for my sizing, again, I'm just gonna kind of explain how I did it, and then you can customize it however you want. Measured the pole where I want it, and you're gonna find the middle. For my middle, I did 4 short ones. They were 27 chains long, including the turning chain. 2 on either side, so 4 total, 30 chains, 32 chains, 34, and then I jumped up to 42, 50, 60, 80, 90, 100. You can customize that however you want. This is just how I did it. I have made all my lavender pieces, and we are starting to get them laid out. All there's left to do is get everything tied to the pole and up in my door frame. Ah, I'm excited. I found these really cool beads. I think I'm just gonna get it up, step 1, and then I'll worry about the beads. And now that we are all ready to go, I did think about making like a cover for the pole, but I'm lazy, so I'm just tying them on. Let's add some flowers. All I'm doing is tying it on 3 or 4 times, just to make sure that it's really secure. Cutting the strings close. Look at it. Our frame is officially done. I wanted to say that I hope this made sense, because this is so whimsical and everyone needs this in their home. And if you do create one, please tag me. I would love to see it. Stay tuned on my channel, as I found these amazing sparkly beads that I want to add to the end of these lavenders so that it can sparkle in the sunshine. But I'm going to be doing that on my socials. Thank you guys so much for following my tutorial and watching my video, getting this far. And stay tuned for lots more whimsical, fun creations. Peace!